That's real speed. That's how fast it's going. It can go a lot faster than this, but I've slowed it down just to give it a slightly better chance of being good quality. I don't know why that build tower comes apart like that, or why it has problems building that, but these are actually turning out really good. It didn't like running this fast with this white material yesterday, but I ran the two green ones this morning or overnight, and then I thought I'd try this again, and now it's running pretty good. And I've got this turned down to about, I don't know, 75% right now speed, so it can go quite a bit faster than this. And then there is an insane button above that, it can go even faster. This right now is running at 200 millimeters. I think it's 200 millimeters per second. And yeah, it's doing a good job. These will be done they can do two of these with its build tower back there in about an hour. A little bit over that, hour and a quarter, I think. So yeah, pretty cool. It's my build area down here. I'm working on it, putting a shelf up and build a sturdy bench, screwed it to the wall, and then I used some scrap carpeting as little padding to keep it quieter so it's not vibrating the drywall through the whole house, because this thing does shake pretty good when it's printing. I don't know if we can see it here. Let's see if we can see that shake. Yeah. It's really not enough to worry about it, but I just didn't want it. I didn't want to hear it in the house, you know, so I tried to make it as quiet as I could. So yeah, I'm real happy with this. Not a cheap unit, but yep. And then automatic material system, spools of material, some more spools up there, and then another one down here. It's got two heads, so it can run two different filaments basically at the same time. Not at the same time, but on the same layer. It can print two different colors without having to change the filament out of one head. So it's pretty cool. Works good. Thought you might like to see that.